The 2011 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.